Welcome to R3 Jewel Academy. Create, innovate, and shine.
Hello, aspiring designers. Welcome to R3 Jewel Academy. Myself, Dibulika Roy, and I'm the HOD of R3 Jewel Academy. Here, I'm going to give you a glimpse on Procreate Jewelry Designing course. Now, what is Procreate? Procreate Jewelry Designing is an illustration which is done digitally. So Procreate, if I go with Procreate, Procreate is an app which converts the manual jewelry designing into a digital form. Okay, so now it is one of the simplest method where we can design a jewelry item in a very few seconds and with no expertise in manual designing. Procreate contains different types of commands and gestures in which you can create different types of brushes. These brushes will be diamond brush, chain brush, metal texture brush, different types of brushes. And with the help of these brushes, you will be able to create different types of jewelry designs. Now, here are the valuable benefits of Procreate. Now, Procreate and manual jewelry designing, if you find a difference or the similarity, I will guide you with certain points. See, Procreate is digital illustration. In digital illustration, you don't have to draw a straight line properly. You don't have to draw a curved line properly or a circle properly. Here, with the help of this app, any circular design, any circular line will automatically be transformed into oval or circle. Any line that you are creating straight, even if it's not straight, the app will automatically make it straight. So hence, with the help of Procreate, you will be able to create different geometrical structures, different types of shapes, different types of motifs without any expertise in drawing or painting. Now, here we have the different types of points where you will get a platform to make and showcase all your creativity digitally. With the help of Procreate, you will be able to create something gorgeous like this. If you try to do it in manual, it will take like around 2 to 3 hours, but in Procreate, you can get this finished look, 3D look within half an hour. So, here is also another diamond earring, long earring. This is also very much gorgeous, and you can also enroll yourself in Procreate Jewelry Designing course. Here is our syllabus. First, we have Introduction to Procreate Functions and its tools. First, we will teach you the Procreate tools and different types of functions. Then we will go into the rendering part. Rendering may we have rendering of cabochons, rendering of pearls, rendering of faceted gemstones, rendering of metal textures, yellow gold, rose gold, white gold. Here we finish with the rendering. Then we will teach you the editing of gemstones from different references. This means the ones which I have shown just now, the images, the references that we take from the internet. I am going to teach you how to edit those gemstones and place it in the jewelry item. Next, number 7 point is illustration of settings. Different types of settings I will be teaching you. Number 8 is brush making techniques. Different types of brushes will be taught you how to create the brushes. Brushes are your main weapon. When you learn how to create the brushes, you will be able to create your own brush and will be able to create a new jewelry item. In the brushes, we have diamond brush, chain brush, pearl brush. Then we have a metallic brush. Then number 9 is making designs from references, pendant design, earring design, bracelet design, diamond necklace and polki necklace with earring set. So here we cover all the full jewelry industry, the full different types of jewelry items, and we have all this in our syllabus. So if you want to learn something like this, if you want to create something gorgeous like this, you can enroll yourself in Procreate Jewelry Designing course in R3 Jewel Academy. Thank you for listening.